Hey, Jonathan here. Let's go ahead and create a simple volume as we are learning 3D printing basics for architectural design. Let's do this. Now, these are really simple models to model, and they shouldn't be 3D printed without watching the 3D printing course. These are meant to teach specific skills about the 3D printing process. Now, starting on the file provided, go to the exercise 1.1, where you can then start the morph command. Then make sure that the geometry method is set to cube or box. Then we click once. Then we go 30 millimeters to the right, tap 30 millimeters down, and 10 millimeters high. That's it. Now you can then select it, press F4 to isolate, and then go to File, Save As, Stereolithography file, which generates the STL that we actually need for 3D printing. We select the place where we want to save this, of course. Let's call it the volume. Save, and we set the scale. Now, in this case, we will set the scale 1:1 because we already drew in millimeters. But ARCHICAD allows you to actually set the scale when you are modeling 1:1 real projects. For now, let's just click on Save, and your volume should look like this. That's it. See you in the next one.